Hi, my name is Hassan. I'm in third year electrical and computer engineering at the University of Toronto, class of 2T5. So I chose ECE at UFT for three main reasons. One, world-renowned faculty. Two, cutting-edge research opportunities. And three, a world-class roster of professors. Also, the emphasis on hands-on learning has been really great and aligns perfectly with how I like to learn. I've been able to get in labs and apply my knowledge to world applications. So last summer, I was working at a company called Lumedo. We were creating a VR application which basically worked in a VR headset, and it allowed healthcare professionals to simulate healthcare scenarios in hospitals and train accordingly. This really expanded my view on how engineering works in the real world when you're making a product for consumers, as well as all the engineering problem-solving skills that you need to create such a sophisticated product.